Click the link in the description below to get your lifetime deal discount. Quick, before I spend all your money. Apparently I've been an idiot, paying monthly for software that I could own forever. Click the link in the description to get your special lifetime deal on LeadRocks. Before I explain why you're probably making the same mistake I did. So what is LeadRocks? It's a B2B lead generation platform with over 100 million business contacts. Think emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles, all the good stuff you need to find the right people. You can search by job title, company, location, industry, team size, basically filter down to exactly who you want to talk to. And that LinkedIn profile you've been stalking, LeadRocks can pull all their contact details for you. Bit less creepy, innit? Now let's talk money. The regular pricing is $145 a month for just 5,000 credits. That's like buying a fancy coffee machine every month but never actually owning it. But with this AppSumo deal, you pay once and it's yours forever. Starting at just $89 for 7,500 monthly contact credits. That's less than a decent pair of trainers. Need more? Stack codes. 2 codes at $178 gets you 15,000 contacts monthly, plus 10,000 email verification credits and an email marketing seat. 3 codes at $267 bumps you to 22,500 contacts and more verification credits. 4 codes, $356 for 30,000 contacts monthly and 2 marketing seats. Now you're just showing off. While other platforms keep charging you month after month like a clingy ex who won't delete your card details, LeadRocks is a one-and-done deal. And with a 60-day money-back guarantee, it's about as risk-free as asking your nan if she thinks you're handsome. So click that link in the description for your lifetime access to LeadRocks. Grab it now. Link below. Cheers.